and in this video, we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT to craft personalized greeting cards. Now, when it comes to greeting cards, many of us thought that, wow, it only happens once a year and it comes at Christmas time. But actually, in reality, there are a lot of occasions throughout the year where you could need to write a greeting card. For example, you have a colleague who is leaving and you want to wish him or her well. Or you might have a friend who is about to have a baby, or another friend who is getting married, or another one who is relocating to another country or another city. How can we utilize ChatGPT to craft amazing and personalized greeting cards? All right, let's learn how to do that. Now, first, you can open ChatGPT, or if you have a Microsoft account, then you can use the Bing Chat that is right within Microsoft Edge or Bing. I usually do that because it's a lot less messier and it's more updated. Okay, now first we will need to choose a conversation style. For example, I am a lecturer, so usually I use a precise style, but because we are writing a greeting card, so we could like to look for some creative ideas. So in this case, let's use a more creative style. All right, now here we will need to write the prompt for ChatGPT. What do we want ChatGPT to help us with? For example, usually I could say, please help me brainstorm 5 wishing or 5 inspiring quotes for my student. Now, when you are writing a greeting card, it's important to take a step back and really think, what is unique about that person that you are writing? What does he or she wants in life? So you can customize your greeting card accordingly. So for example, I have a student who is into finance and stock. Okay, so please help me brainstorm 5 inspiring quotes for my student who is into finance and stock. I am writing a card for him. Okay, and let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. The key to money is to stay invested. If you make meaning, you'll make money. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Okay, so these are quite inspiring, but I want a little bit more unique. Please help me find inspiring quote for my student who's I want it to be short, that are 10 words max, for my student who is into finance and stock. Okay, and let's see what it comes up with. Stay invested, the key to money. Make meaning, you'll make money. Be fearful when others are greedy. Okay, so these are already messed up. Now I want a bit more unique. 5 unique and inspiring quotes for my student who's into quote ideas. And let's see what it comes up with. Money follows value. Create more value. Invest in yourself first, then in others. Learn from the past, plan for the future. Risk is the price of opportunity. Don't chase money, let money chase you. Oh, that's very good, but I want to expand it so that the quotes are a bit longer, so maybe 15 words max. Okay, and let's see what happens. The market is a teacher. Listen to the lesson. Success is not a destination, it's a journey of learning. Don't let fear stop you. Let it motivate you. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Money is a tool. Use it wisely and generously. That is very good. Okay, so I'm going to use this prompt and alter it. So I have another student who is into entrepreneurship. Okay, and let's see what it comes up with. Entrepreneurship is a mindset. It's about solving problems creatively. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. Dream big. Work hard. Make it happen. Oh, these are very nice. And then I have another student who is very creative, who is into arts and creativity. She draws very nicely and she sells her digital arts on DeviantArt. Alright, art is the expression of the soul. Let it speak. Creativity is intelligence, having fun. The world is your canvas. Paint your own masterpiece. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Wow, these are very nice. Alright, so finally, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to brainstorm some unique ideas for a student who wants to find her inner peace. Okay. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Be present, be mindful, and be grateful. That is nice. Okay, so finally, I have a student, and when I asked him what does he want in life, he said he wants to have a lucky life. But he is very, very hardworking. Lucky life for my student who is very hard working and wants to have a lucky life. Now, and here I'm going to extend it to 20 words max. Okay, and let's see what it comes up with. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. The harder you work, the luckier you get. Don't rely on luck, create your own opportunities. Luck favors the brave, take risks and seize chances. You make your own luck, believe in yourself and your dreams. All these are so very nice. So you can see that ChatGPT is very helpful in that it pulls together a lot of inspiring quotes in a very short amount of time, and these quotes are nicely written as well, and you can alter it, you can make it longer or shorter. Let's use the same prompt, but this time I'm going to make it, let's say 40 words max, and let's see what it comes up with. Luck is not something that happens to you, it's something that you create with your hard work, dedication, and persistence. The harder you work, the luckier you get. But remember, luck is not a substitute for skill. Keep learning and improving yourself. You make your own luck, believe in yourself and dreams. Follow your passion and your purpose, and the universe will reward you. Oh, these are so very nice. So you can see that ChatGPT is very useful in brainstorming ideas, and it puts together some very nicely written and inspiring quotes that are so very helpful in occasion when you are just tired, you just came out of a day full of meetings and you need to write a short card for a colleague who is leaving, or you need to write, one or two lines for a student who is graduating, and you are tired and your brain kind of shuts down already. So in that case, just leave it to ChatGPT, and all you need to do is to pick the one that you like or to modify it based on the one that you like. I hope that you found this video useful. That's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next ChatGPT tutorial video.